Did you ever wonder how cool it is to make fire trucks? Well, we're here at KME, and I'm Reiley from Palmerton Junior High, and we're here to find out. Let's go.
My name is Jennifer Davis, HR Manager at KME. We make a variety of custom fire trucks. We have a lot of volunteer fire companies and paid fire companies that use our products around the country and around the world. Some people need basic skills in math and reading in order to be on the floor in manufacturing, and others need a degree in engineering.
My name is Kashmir Dukoski. I have military training. I was in the Air Force for 4 years where I learned how to weld.
My name is Jeff Cotner. I'm a painter here at KME. I started just from square one, walking in the door, but they do offer like VOTEC, and that'll help you with what you can do here at KME.
Jason Tischler, lead electrician. I went to school for industrial electricity at Carbon County VOTEC, so that helped me get in the door and start my career.
We make a very good, high-quality vehicle, and it saves lives.
I like most about my job. The people here, they're good people, and we have fun with what we do here. We build fire trucks from the ground up. We wire all the cabs and the bodies.
I like most about my job being to build a good product for the community.
What do I like about my job? I like the people, I like the place, I like the atmosphere here.
KME is a great place to work at because it gives a good feeling of building a good product for the community.
KME is a great place to work at because the opportunity we have here, and there's room for advancement.
KME is a great place to work at because the products that we build, we take pride in something that you know that's going to be out in the community every day being used.
Possibilities are endless because every single product is different, so we don't make one individualized product.
When we're finished building a truck here, it's a good feeling knowing the product that we build here. It's a good feeling.
And that's why I like to work at KME.
And that's why I like to work at KME.
And that's why I like to work at KME.
That's why I like to work at KME.
Now you know what's so cool about manufacturing at KME. From all of us at the Palmerton Junior High School, we hope you enjoyed our presentation.